Hi, my name is Tom and today I am going to show you how you can become Amazon seller. First we have to log in Amazon Seller Central. Then you have to enter your mail and password. If you are new, then you have to register. But GST and PAN card is mandatory to sign in or register. Then just go to the corner, you will see catalog and add your products. If other sellers are selling the same product as you, then just go there and add the item. If your product is uncommon or not sold in Amazon, then just click I am adding a product not sold on Amazon. Then you will see different categories here: appliances, baby, bags, beauty, books, car and motorbikes, and so on. I have randomly chosen clothing and accessories. You can choose according to your product. If it's t-shirt, then you can go to clothing and accessories. If it is bike parts, then go to motorbikes and so on. Here in Vital info, you have to type what is asked here. In brand name, if your product is local made, then you can just put generic here. If it is branded, then you have to show the trademark number and you have to put GTIN UPC number. In offer section, you have to list the price, your price, then in HSN code you have to enter the code which is made mandatory. In fulfillment center, you will get two options: either Amazon will ship your product or you have to ship your product of your own. But I will recommend you to choose Amazon as a shipping provider because their rates are very less as compared to other shipping provider. Then go to images. You have to click 6 high quality images. So in description section, you have to write the product details, product features, and so on. Bullet point are the important point where people just see and can decide whether the product is good or bad. So it is mandatory to put 3 to 4 bullet points to attract customer. Here blue point is the bullet point. Just click on upper section additional view and you will see keywords. You have to enter the keyword that people will search for your product in Amazon website. Suppose you are selling t-shirt, then you can write man t-shirt, boy t-shirt, girl t-shirt, and so on. You can choose different keywords. Just put comma and space. Here you provide all the details and click save and submit. After that, I will show you. You have to put the inventory, the number of items available to you. Go to the available column and put number of items that is available to you, either 3, either 4, either 5, and so on. Just click on edit and save. In the next section, I will show you how to manage your order. It is easy shipping order. You have to click the tax invoice and reschedule your pickup. After clicking the schedule pickup, you will see the shipping level. In the campaign manager, here you will boost up your sales. You can track the account health. The late dispatch rate should be less than 2%. You have to continuously monitor this, otherwise the account will be suspended. Next, go to the report section. Here you will get the payment info. After selling a product, the payment will reflect here and you can disburse the amount. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Like us and subscribe us.